Hello everyone, it's Hoyt Dingus again for AVF 1405. This is for my final project for this month. Again, this month we were, or not this month, but this week, we were supposed to make another application. The application was the same application we were working on last week, except we had to take our user testing that we had done and make modifications to the application. If you will notice here, I do not have my network on at this time, and I'm going to go ahead and launch the app so you guys can see. An alert pops up, and the alert says, currently your data network is unavailable, please try again later. Okie dokie. So just press that, close the app out, turn network on, and let's launch the app again. And the app launches, yay. As you can see from last week, I made a bunch of modifications to this application. I shortened the row size. I'm just including just the card name, the card type, and the mana cost over here in the corner, as well as the actual card image here on the left, just so they have something to look at other than just the regular data. Still, same functionality, you click the row and it opens up, but this has changed. I took the back button away from here because I included everything in a navigation window for iOS. And then you just click back, and also if you shake it, it generates a random card. And this just happens to be my favorite card in all of the actual game Magic the Gathering. That's pretty awesome that it just popped up like that. And then you just have this row, and all those images will fill in here shortly. It's just them loading in. Also, this saves locally. All these objects are built in a constructor and saved to a database, and then the UI is populated from the database. Also, this is all saving to the cloud as well. Every bit of it's saving to the cloud. It's finally got that working. Let's see, what else? Oh, yes, and the Android version of the app looks like this. After having a little bit of help from my teacher and everything, like I can get the app still to launch even with her help. I think my emulators may not generate on the emulator for some odd reason. I don't know why. I still can't figure out what's going on with it. Because we had fixed it in class, but it doesn't look like it's going to launch. We'll see here in a second if it's going to pop back up and launch. Again, with the application, I was checking for platform, and I was doing the shake gesture as the two native features for the application. It's also saving the cloud, and it's saving the local database. I'm generating all the objects. All the cards are built in a constructor, and then those objects are saved to the database, and then the UI is loaded off of those objects. I made a few more changes than I had last week, and to be honest, it was kind of taxing to go back through and try and figure out what to leave in and what to take out. But just for the nature of the app, I figured that what we had to take out was the best thing to do, just for the overall, not only appearance, but also just the application in general. Like, it just looks better, it functions better in my opinion. It gets more to the point. As a Magic the Gathering player, I think it makes a lot more sense. Let's see if it'll populate on this one. And yeah, as you can see down here, it's scrolling through, it's getting all the data. And it's sending it to the cloud too. still not populating the row, even after we had fixed that issue. And it's still saying I've got memory problems. I think it's the memory for the emulator, to be honest, is why I'm having the biggest issue with it of all. This program, since I started working on it in the emulators, has not been working very well. But again, I'll show you what it looks like on an iPhone now as well. It's just been kind of a pain to get this thing to work on Android. And this is what it looks like on the iPhone. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate it.